So how long do you think it would take a guy of practice to get where they can open a lock consistently? Maybe not quickly, but consistently.
Well, if you get a kit like this, which prepares you pretty well, you're going to find success quicker than if you just go to your standard. I don't know. I've got my first lockpick set at a home defense store. Was what it was called.
A spy shop.
Exactly. It had like a bunch of spy cameras and stuff like that.
Or a gun show or whatnot.
And you get your pick set there, and a lot of times they don't come with the training lock. They don't come with all this stuff that this kit came with. So you have to go to the hardware store to get yourself like a cheap master lock. And master locks are not in any way, shape, or form complicated or hard to pick, but they're not as intuitive as this. Like, you can't see inside them and see the pins working. So you're not going to be able to put a visual to the feeling. And for some people, that's a huge thing. If you were just to go out and buy a standard practice set like this, you could probably get, picking the first time is going to be the hardest. So it might take you a couple hours of just straight picking at the lock until you get the right amount of tension, the right amount of torque on the wrench, the right amount of setting.
And once you get it, it goes pretty easy from then on.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.